If you are facing an unexpected error occurred issue on Instagram for Android, here's how to fix it. First, restart your phone and try opening Instagram again. A simple reboot can clear minor glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. If possible, try connecting to a different network. Clear the Instagram cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing the error. If that doesn't work, update Instagram from the Google Play Store. An outdated app can cause unexpected errors. Try logging out and back in to refresh your session. Go to Profile, Menu, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the last and log out, then log in again. If you are still experiencing the issue, check if Instagram is down by visiting websites like Down Detector. If there's an outage, you may need to wait for Instagram to fix the issue. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This clears all app data and install a fresh version, resolving most persistent issues. That's it. Now you know how to fix an unexpected error occurred issue on Instagram for Android. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.